Please watch this video, make some clear decisions if you are planning and helping someone plan for a hospital startup. Please watch complete video to know answer to most pressing questions you have right now about financing a hospital, and please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Startup funding for a hospital startup in India can vary significantly depending on a number of factors, such as the size and scope of the hospital, its location, and the type of services offered. However, on average, startup funding for a hospital in India can range from 50 Indian rupees lakhs, approximately $68,000, to 500 crore, approximately $68 million. Funding may come from a variety of sources, such as venture capital firms, private investors, banks, and government grants. There are several challenges to raising startup funding for a hospital in India. 1. Limited availability of investors. The healthcare sector in India is highly competitive, and the number of investors willing to invest in hospital startups is relatively low. This makes it difficult for hospital startups to secure funding. 2. High capital requirements. Setting up a hospital requires a large amount of capital, which can be a challenge for startups to raise. 3. Lack of experience. Many hospital startups are founded by first-time entrepreneurs who may lack the necessary experience and expertise to secure funding. 4. Lack of credibility. Hospital startups may struggle to convince potential investors of their credibility and the viability of their business model. 5. Regulation and compliance. The healthcare sector in India is heavily regulated, and hospital startups must navigate a complex regulatory environment to secure funding. 6. Limited access to government funding. In India, government funding for healthcare startups is limited, making it difficult for hospital startups to access this source of funding. I hope you liked this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Raising funding for a hospital startup in India can be a challenging process, but there are several strategies you can consider to increase your chances of success. Some possible options include: 1. Seek out grants and funding from government agencies. There are various government agencies in India that provide funding for healthcare startups, including the Department of Biotechnology and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. You can also look into grants from organizations like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation or the Global Health Investment Fund. 2. Approach venture capital firms and angel investors. Venture capital firms and angel investors are another potential source of funding for healthcare startups in India. These investors may be more interested in companies with a clear plan for revenue generation and a track record of success. 3. Consider crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo can be a good option for hospital startups looking to raise smaller amounts of money from a large number of people. 4. Look into loans and other financing options. There are also various loan and financing options available to healthcare startups in India, including bank loans and alternative financing options like peer-to-peer lending or microloans. 5. Network and build relationships with potential investors. Finally, it's important to build relationships and network with potential investors in the healthcare industry. This can involve attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and engaging with industry experts on social media or through professional networks. How to raise startup funding for a hospital startup in India from government and non-government grants. 1. Research and identify potential government and non-government grants available for hospital startups in India. This can include grants from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the National Health Mission, and other organizations such as the National Health Systems Resource Center. 2. Develop a strong business plan and financial projections for your hospital's startup. This will be important in convincing potential funders that your hospital is a viable investment. 3. Network with other healthcare professionals and organizations to learn about potential funding opportunities and to gain support for your hospital startup. 4. Meet with representatives from government and non-government organizations to discuss your hospital's startup and the potential for funding. Be prepared to present your business plan and financial projections, as well as any supporting documentation such as market research and feasibility studies. 5. Follow the application process for each grant carefully, ensuring that all required documentation is submitted on time. 6. Consider seeking the assistance of a grant writer or funding consultant to help with the grant application process. 7. Continually track your progress and engage with funders to ensure that your hospital startup remains on track and meets their expectations. How to raise startup funding for a hospital startup in India from venture capitalists and angel investors. I hope you like this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. How to raise startup funding for a hospital startup in India from venture capitalists and angel investors. 1. Research and identify potential venture capitalists and angel investors who may be interested in investing in a hospital startup in India. This could include looking at their investment portfolios and previous investments in the healthcare industry. 2. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines the goals, vision, and financial projections of the startup. This should include a detailed analysis of the market, competition, and potential revenue streams. 3. Develop a strong pitch that highlights the unique value proposition of the startup and how it will differentiate from competitors. Emphasize the potential for growth and return on investment for investors. 4. Network and make connections within the healthcare industry and among potential investors. This could include attending industry events and reaching out to industry professionals and investors through LinkedIn or other networking platforms. 5. Consider offering equity in the company as part of the investment agreement. This will give investors a stake in the company and a financial interest in its success. 6. Keep investors informed about the progress of the startup, including any major milestones or challenges. This will help build trust and demonstrate the value of the startup to potential investors. How to raise crowdfunding for a hospital startup in India. 1. Develop a clear and compelling pitch. Before reaching out to potential investors, it is important to have a clear and concise pitch that clearly outlines the goals and objectives of the hospital startup, as well as the unique value proposition it brings to the market. This should include a detailed financial plan and a roadmap for how the funding will be used to achieve these goals. 2. Utilize social media and online platforms. Crowdfunding campaigns are often successful when they have a strong online presence. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to share your pitch and reach out to potential investors. You can also use online crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo to directly solicit funding from the public. 3. Build a network of supporters. In addition to reaching out to potential investors online, it is also important to build a network of supporters who can help promote your campaign and spread the word about your hospital startup. This can include business leaders, healthcare professionals, and other influential individuals in your industry. 4. Offer perks or rewards for investors. One way to incentivize potential investors is by offering perks or rewards for their support. This could include discounts on services at the hospital, exclusive access to new technologies or treatments, or other unique perks that showcase the value of investing in your hospital startup. 5. Keep your supporters informed. Throughout the crowdfunding campaign, it is important to keep your supporters informed about the progress of your hospital startup and how the funding is being used. This can help build trust and ensure that investors feel like they are part of the success of the hospital. I hope you like this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. How to raise startup funding for a hospital startup in India through loans and financing options. 1. Research potential lending institutions or financial institutions that offer loans or financing options for hospital startups in India. This may include banks, venture capital firms, angel investors, or government programs. 2. Prepare a comprehensive business plan outlining your hospital startup's goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Make sure to include details on how the funding will be used to support the growth and success of the hospital. 3. Approach potential lenders or financiers with your business plan and request a meeting to discuss the funding options available. Be prepared to present a strong case for your hospital startup and explain how the funding will help it succeed. 4. Consider alternative financing options such as crowdfunding or grants. These options may be more difficult to secure, but they can be a useful source of funding for hospital startups in India. 5. Negotiate the terms of the loan or financing agreement to ensure that they are favorable for your hospital startup. This may include negotiating the interest rate, repayment terms, and any collateral requirements. 6. Keep track of your progress and update your business plan as needed. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you are meeting your financial goals. I hope you like this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. How to raise startup funding for a hospital startup in India through networks and relationships. There are several ways to raise startup funding for a hospital in India through networks and relationships. 1. Network with potential investors. Reach out to potential investors in your network and present your business idea. This could include venture capitalists, angel investors, or private equity firms. 2. Leverage your relationships. If you have strong relationships with healthcare professionals, industry experts, or successful entrepreneurs, you may be able to tap into their networks for funding. 3. Participate in pitch events. Attend pitch events and competitions to present your business idea to a wide audience of investors. 4. Seek funding from grants. There are various grants available for healthcare startups in India. Research and apply for grants that align with your business model and goals. 5. Seek funding from healthcare organizations. Many healthcare organizations offer funding to startups that align with their mission and vision. Research and approach these organizations for funding. 6. Crowdfunding. Consider crowdfunding as a way to raise funds from a large number of people. Set up a campaign on a crowdfunding platform and share your story to generate interest and funding. 7. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms to share your business idea and attract investors. Utilize hashtags, participate in relevant groups and communities, and engage with potential investors. I hope you like this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Which are the government and other grants and prizes for hospital startups in India? There are several government and other grants and prizes available for hospital startups in India. 1. Atal Innovation Mission, AIM, grant. This grant is offered by the Government of India through the Department of Science and Technology, DST, to support innovative projects and startups in the healthcare sector. 2. Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council, BIROC, grant. This grant is provided by the Department of Biotechnology, DBT, to support innovative biotechnology startups in the healthcare sector. 3. Department of Science and Technology, DST, Startup Scheme. This scheme is offered by the DST to support startups in the science and technology sector, including healthcare startups. 4. Healthcare Innovation Challenge. This challenge is organized by the Indian Health Ministry and the National Health Authority, NHA, to support innovative healthcare startups in India. 5. Indian Health Organization, IHO, Startup Challenge. This challenge is organized by the IHO to support innovative healthcare startups in India. 6. Tata Social Enterprise Challenge. This challenge is organized by the Tata Trusts to support social enterprises, including healthcare startups, in India. 7. Vilgro Innovations Foundation. This foundation supports healthcare startups in India through its incubation and funding programs. 10. Which are the venture capitalists and angel investors for hospital startups in India? Some venture capitalists and angel investors for hospital startups in India include: 1. Sequoia Capital India. This is a leading venture capital firm that has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, 1mg, and Librate. 2. Excel Partners India. This venture capital firm has invested in healthcare startups such as Porta Medical, DocsApp, and Plus. 3. Kalari Capital. This venture capital firm has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Plus. 4. Nexus Venture Partners. This venture capital firm has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Librate. 5. Bloom Ventures. This venture capital firm has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Plus. 6. Indian Angel Network. This angel investment network has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Plus. 7. Your Nest Angel Fund. This angel investment fund has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Plus. 8. Health Quad. This venture capital firm has invested in healthcare startups such as Practo, Porta Medical, and Librate. Which are the crowdfunding platforms and agencies for hospital startups in India? Some popular crowdfunding platforms and agencies for hospital startups in India include: 1. Impact Guru. This platform focuses on healthcare fundraising and has helped numerous hospital startups in India raise funds for their projects. 2. Keto. This platform has a specific category for healthcare fundraising and has helped many hospital startups in India raise funds for their projects. 3. Ignite. This agency offers various marketing and fundraising solutions for hospital startups in India, including crowdfunding campaigns. 4. MedTech. This platform has a specific category for healthcare fundraising and has helped many hospital startups in India raise funds for their projects. 5. Funding Galaxy. This platform offers various fundraising solutions for hospital startups in India, including crowdfunding campaigns. I hope you liked this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Which are the loan and financing institutions for hospital startups in India? There are several loan and financing institutions that offer financing options for hospital startups in India. 1. State Bank of India, SBI, offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. 2. ICICI Bank offers term loans, working capital loans, and project loans for hospital startups in India. 3. HDFC Bank offers term loans, working capital loans, and project loans for hospital startups in India. 4. Bank of Baroda offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. 5. Axis Bank offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. 6. Indian Overseas Bank offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. 7. Canara Bank offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. 8. IDBI Bank offers various financing options, including term loans, working capital loans, and project loans, for hospital startups in India. I hope you liked this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest. Which are the networking and relationship building platforms and avenues for hospital startups in India? 1. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform that allows hospital startups in India to connect with other professionals in the healthcare industry, including potential investors, partners, and employees. 2. Indian Healthcare Federation. The Indian Healthcare Federation is a national association that represents the interests of healthcare providers in India, including hospitals and startups. Joining this organization can help hospital startups in India build relationships with other industry leaders and access resources and support. 3. HealthTech India. HealthTech India is a platform that connects healthcare startups in India with investors, customers, and partners. Participating in events and networking opportunities through this platform can help hospital startups build relationships and grow their businesses. 4. Indian Association of Health and Wellness. The Indian Association of Health and Wellness is a non-profit organization that promotes the development of health and wellness initiatives in India. Hospital startups can join this organization and participate in networking events and initiatives to build relationships and expand their reach. 5. Indian Healthcare Innovation Forum. The Indian Healthcare Innovation Forum is a platform for healthcare professionals and innovators in India to connect and collaborate. Hospital startups can join this forum and participate in events and discussions to network with other professionals and learn about new trends and developments in the industry. I hope you liked this video so far and information to make you understand the topic. Please subscribe, like and press the bell button to watch our new videos like this. Please leave your comment for your topic of interest.